Okay, well, since I'm here, I'll do a really quick video on this. I'm kind of partway through it, but you'll get an idea of how it all works. So, I have the strut removed from the car, the whole strut assembly. So, brakes, spindle, rotor, everything. So, easy way to change the shocks out. I recommend doing it off the car. You can do it on the car, but it's a bit harder. What you want to do is you want to pop this guy out. I've already popped it out. It is just pressed in there with really no force. You just need to get a flathead screwdriver in between there, and then it comes right off. The strut nut has to come off. Depending on your springs, you may have to compress your springs. So this one was a 25 mil because I'm using Bilsteins. That comes off. There's a washer that comes off with it. Just mine's a little bit marred up, but oh well. This piece comes off. This is the strut mount. Yeah, that's right, strut mount. This one is still good. It still has movement in the bearings. It doesn't seem really crunchy. So this one can live on. This plate holds the spring in. That goes next. It just slides on like that. The spring then can come right out, as well as the strut bellows, or strut protector. Alright, so you're left with this. This gland nut here can be either removed with a pipe wrench or the punch, because I don't have the correct tool for whatever this is. So I simply have this guy right here, and I've just been using a hammer to remove it. And then you could use channel locks on it, or whatever tool of choice you have. You just don't want to mar these things up because they are kind of hard to come by. And they are strut specific, of course. And then that comes off just like that. But the next predicament you're going to run into is that the strut doesn't want to come out. Though I do have this guy right here, which is a 1/2 inch extension. And there is a hole in the bottom of there, so I can just tap the strut out the bottom through the top. Alright, when you get it to about here, then you should be able to move it, and it will slide right out. Right, and there you go. There's a fully disassembled strut assembly. So now you get to put on your suspension of choice.